The Kawasaki Ninja H2 and its track-only sibling Kawasaki Ninja H2R are not just motorcycles, they are engineering statements. They exist to answer one question. What happens if a major manufacturer builds the most extreme supercharged motorcycle possible without compromise? The result is a machine that blurs the line between production bike, race prototype, aerospace engineering. 2. Manufacturing. How the Ninja H2R is made. Factory where it's built. The H2R is manufactured in Japan by Kawasaki Heavy Industries at a specialized, low-volume production line. This is not a normal factory assembly line. Key characteristics: hand-built process, highly trained technicians, aerospace-level precision, limited production numbers, gear step-by-step manufacturing process. 2.1 Frame construction. The H2R uses a trellis frame, unlike typical aluminum frames. Why trellis? Allows controlled flex. Handles extreme power, 300 plus HP. Better heat dissipation. Process. High tensile steel tubes or precision cut. Robotic welding ensures structural integrity. Manual inspection checks microscopic flaws. 2.2 Supercharged engine assembly. This is the heart of the H2R. Unlike turbocharged bikes, the H2 uses a centrifugal supercharger, developed in-house by Kawasaki's aerospace division. Key specs: 998cc inline-4 engine. 310 HP with ram air. Supercharger spins at over 130,000 revolutions per minute. Assembly process. Components are hand-fitted. Clearance is measured in microns. Balanced for extreme RPM stability. 2.3 Supercharger engineering. This is what makes the H2 legendary. Unlike outsourcing, Kawasaki designed it internally using expertise from aerospace turbines, gas compressors, jet engine principles. Key features: compact size, high efficiency, instant boost, no lag like turbo. 2.4 Bodywork and aerodynamics. The H2R uses carbon fiber wings, aerodynamic fairings. These are not cosmetic. They provide downforce at high speed, stability beyond 300 km per hour. Each panel is hand-finished, aerodynamically tested. 2.5 Mirror paint process. The H2's iconic reflective finish is unique. It uses a silver ion coating process, not traditional paint, applied in a dust-free chamber. Creates a mirror-like surface. 2.6 Electronics and control systems. The H2 includes advanced electronics, traction control, launch control, engine braking control, IMU inertial measurement unit. Each system is calibrated individually. 2.7 Final assembly and testing. Before delivery, engine is dyno tested, electronics are calibrated. Each bike undergoes inspection. H2R units are often delivered with setup instructions, tuned for track use only. 3. What makes the Ninja H2 so special? Fire 3.1 The supercharger. This is the biggest differentiator. Most superbikes rely on naturally aspirated engines. The H2 compresses air mechanically, forces more oxygen into combustion. Result: insane acceleration, unmatched throttle response, high voltage 3.2 power delivery. Unlike typical bikes, power is not just high, it's relentless and linear. When you twist the throttle, no delay, no hesitation, just continuous force. That's why people describe it as warping space and time. Brain 3.3 Advanced electronics. The H2 is smart, not just fast. It constantly adjusts traction, wheel lift, braking behavior. This makes it rideable, barely controllable in expert hands. DNA 3.4 Engineering collaboration. The H2 is a product of multiple Kawasaki divisions. Motorcycle division, aerospace division, gas turbine division. That's extremely rare in the industry. Checkered flag 3.5 H2 vs H2R. Feature H2R road legal yes no power approximately 200 HP 300 plus HP wings no yes exhaust silenced open racing purpose street track only. 4. Is the Ninja H2 the best bike? Short answer: no, but also yes. Let's unpack that. Racing car where it is not the best. Other bikes beat it in cornering, lighter bikes, track lap times, agility. Examples: Yamaha YZF R1, Ducati Panigale V4. These are more race-focused. Rocket where it dominates. The H2 excels in straight line acceleration, raw power delivery, engineering uniqueness. Nothing feels like it. Brain the real verdict. The H2 is not about being best in metrics. It is about experience, intensity, Engineering excellence. So the real answer. It's the most insane production motorcycle experience available. 5. The Ninja H2SX, a different beast. The Kawasaki Ninja H2SX is a more practical version. What changes? Tuned for touring, more comfort, less aggressive power, puzzle piece key features, supercharged engine detuned, cruise control, heated grips, advanced rider aids, light bulb ram air system. The H2SX uses a ram air intake system. How it works: air is forced into intake at high speed, increases pressure, boosts performance. This improves supercharger efficiency, engine output. 6. Why it's expensive. The H2 costs a lot because 6.1 low production volume, not mass-produced, limited units, 6.2 specialized components, custom supercharger, aerospace-grade materials, 6.3 hand assembly, skilled labor, precision engineering, 6.4 advanced tech, electronics, sensors, control systems. 7. Maintenance reality. Let's be honest, it's not easy to own. Challenges: expensive servicing, specialized parts, limited technicians. This is not a beginner bike. 8. Who should buy it? The H2 is for collectors, experienced riders, enthusiasts who want something extreme. Not ideal for daily commuting, beginners, budget-conscious riders. 9. The H2R, a machine without limits. The H2R is something else entirely. Key facts: not street legal, no emission restrictions, pure performance. It represents Kawasaki's engineering without compromise. 10. Final thoughts. The Kawasaki Ninja H2 and Kawasaki Ninja H2R are not just motorcycles. They are technological showcases, engineering experiments, symbols of what's possible. Checkered flag.